The leader of the Mystery Inc. gang, Fred Jones, is known for taking the lead in solving mysteries, constructing various Rube Goldberg traps to nab villains, and for driving the Mystery Machine. He's also known for that orange ascot that he wears. In every version of Scooby-Doo, Fred can be seen wearing it. In fact, he even wears it in the pool. Ever wonder why? Well, while there really isn't any definitive answer, it may well be that Fred's style and look is a product of when he was created, the late 1960s, a period of time when men's fashion, well, went off the rails. Quite possibly some of the ugliest clothing the world has ever seen. So, in comparison, Fred looks downright normal. Apparently over time, enough people asked Fred about that orange ascot that it finally got to him, and he addressed it.
You know, throughout the years, a lot of people have asked me, Fred, why the scarf? And I always tell them the same thing. Why don't you mind your own f***ing business, pal? I'm a cartoon star. I have more f***ing people telling me what I want to wear. So don't be afraid to express your true self. And remember, fashion first.
And there you have it, another mystery solved. Go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full lesson on how to draw Fred and his ascot from Scooby-Doo and hundreds of other lessons.